In small and medium-sized retail, how well can management say they know their business? Are they aware of exactly how many customers have entered their store this week? Or at what specific times of the day are busiest? How effective was the marketing campaign launched last month? Knowing the answers to these questions can help store owners make the right business decisions to maximize operational efficiency and boost marketing effectiveness. Introducing the Acti solution. Acti offers a simple way to automatically generate customer count data. Here's how it works. An Acti people counting camera can be installed at the store's entrance. The camera, once connected to the internet, can count the number of customers entering and exiting the store and transmit this info to Acti's cloud server. Data can be accessed directly via mobile phones or tablets through Acti's MAS app. No PC is required. Everything is presented in an easy-to-understand dashboard format. With real-time customer count numbers, be able to better allocate human resources to match the amount of customers. Gauge the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and easily compare the performance of one store with another. For a monthly fee similar to that of a cell phone service plan, Acti is offering this basic automated people counting service. If you're interested in obtaining deeper insights into your business, Acti can also offer heat mapping cameras to provide customer pathway mapping, POS integration to give a clear picture of conversion rates, and more as add-on features. Contact us at sales@acti.com to discuss your needs in more detail and see how Acti can help you increase the efficiency of your operations.